So still battery is connected and we have inserted dielectric between two plates. We have inserted dielectric between two plates. This is dielectric of dielectric constant K. We have studied that charge becomes K times Q in presence of medium becomes K times of charge in absence of medium if battery is connected. Okay. Potential will remain same. V in presence of medium will be V naught, and electric field in presence of medium will be electric field when medium was absent. But force on each plate F will be electric field due to one plate into charge of another plate. Charge of another plate. In presence of dielectric medium, electric field will be same when it was absent, means dielectric was absent. That's why we will have here कि electric field due to one plate in absence of dielectric medium was sigma by 2 epsilon naught. We will say sigma naught by 2 epsilon naught. Sigma naught is charge density of the plate in absence of dielectric medium. Since electric field is not changing in presence of medium, in presence of battery V or potential V, so electric field due to one plate will be same. But after inserting dielectric, charge of each plate has been changed. Now charge of each plate will be K times of sigma into A. That's why force will be sigma naught, this one. Force will be K times of sigma naught square by 2 epsilon naught A. That is K times of force in presence of medium, K times of force when dielectric was absent. Okay.